What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lorna Marie. Today for you, I'm so excited to be bringing you into my office. We are in my RV right now. I'm a full-time RVer, so I have a 400 square foot home. You heard that correctly, 400 square feet. So to have a little office space is an actual luxury. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I organize everything, all of my important products that I like to have. I'm gonna share with you guys where I got everything, which is mostly from Amazon. I'm also gonna be sharing with you guys how to journal or how I journal. This really helps me stay motivated because it keeps me having a clear mind and peace inside my spirit so I can be productive throughout the week. So hopefully this will be a very information-filled video for you guys. And if you're interested in seeing all of my tips and tricks, then just keep watching. All right, you guys, welcome to my office. I am excited to show you guys all the goods. I'm gonna start off with showing you a few of my favorite Amazon purchases that I can't live without, that make my office just make it what it is. Here, the first item that I literally cannot live without. This is newer for me. I just got this week. I have been suffering from not having ergonomically correct hand positioning, and now my wrists hurt, and I hope it's not too late. I hope that I can fix it. And I love this. So you set it on your computer on here. You can position it any position you want to. It comes with these tools so you can adjust the height, okay? And the way I personally like it is I like this to be tilted up so much that my wrist is actually flat like that, okay? So it is quite tilted, and then my screen goes up like this. Anyways, I love it. It's my favorite. Another thing is this amazing stand here. This is for your cell phone. I just love how it's clear because it's already a small space, so I feel like anything clear is gonna make your space look a little bit bigger, which I love. And so my phone doesn't fit in here with the phone case that I have, but it does set right on top because there's this little groove. It doesn't fit in there. And mine has a wallet like this that opens, and that little wallet part actually fits in there. So it works just fine. And then I can also share my phone case with you guys, which is also from Amazon. It's like this pink color, which I really, really like. And then I will also share with you guys my computer cover, which, isn't it beautiful? Love that so much. These are from Etsy. These are not from Amazon. I still thought I would share with you guys where I got everything because this is a part of my desk. And then the other thing, I love this. So this has a little bit of a wider part right here. This is for your iPad. And you can do it whichever direction. And even with the case on, it still fits on here, which I like. Because I had another one and it just didn't fit with the case. I don't want to have to take my case off and put it on here. That would be super annoying. So anyways, I love this thing. I can have it any way I want. I kind of like mine like this. Another product that I absolutely love from Amazon is this guy right here. Just got this as well. It's a gold box cutter with hearts on it. Look how cute it is. It's so cute. Okay. Also, I got a desk set that has like the tape dispenser and the scissors, gold stapler. Another thing I am going to show you guys in just a little bit how I clean my desk out and all the stuff in here and how I organize it. But I love this little desk vacuum. You guys, it actually works. It's so good. So I keep that in here as well. Also, these are amazing. This is a spray cleaner and you spray your screen. Let me demonstrate. Okay, so you take the little guy out of this container here and then you spray your screen. Okay. Use at your own risk, okay? It's worked fine for me, but I don't know if you have an old one or a crack. Be wary, okay? But I am loving this. So you take the side and you actually wipe your screen down and it cleans your screen. Look at that. I hate a dirty screen, so this is amazing. Then another thing from Amazon is this little set here. This is for cleaning out all kinds of devices. It also has a screen cleaner, and then it has this little brush here that you can clean off your keyboard. Inside of here, there's a bunch of tools. There's also a cleaner in there. You have all of these little things. I don't know exactly what everything does yet, but I know you can clean your headphones and all kinds of other stuff, but there's a bunch of tools in here, which is really, really nice to have. And then I got this pen set from Amazon. So they're all these like beige pens. They are so pretty, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get this set, and these are the pens I'm gonna use in my desk. I had a couple other white ones which definitely go, so I'm gonna keep those in here as well. And then I did get a few of these pens. I'm gonna take all of the plastic and stuff out of everything. I just wanted to place everything. You guys will see the whole process in just a second. But I got these pens as well. These are fine point felt pens, which I think are great for journaling and stuff, and also they're beige on the outside, which I think will go with my whole aesthetic, because I still have pink. Like, that's pink, and I have a couple pops of pink in here, but I like it more neutral and just little touches of pink, you know? Then I have these guys here, which are, I was in school, I did spiritual life coaching. If you guys didn't know that, let me know down below if you're interested in doing spiritual life coaching. I would only have a few spots available. So if you guys are interested, let me know down below. But man, I have been on just the most healing, peaceful journey. We'll get into more of that later. But anyways, I was in school, so I had these flashcards. They have little rings on them. And I was also in yoga school, which I need to finish, but I finished my other 2 courses, and I just love having these. Also, for my journal, I need tape. I have this pink tape here, which is really nice. It's like a tape runner. You put it on the back of paper and it sticks to things, which is nice. I also have some white Post-it notes, which are nice and aesthetically pleasing. I also have whiteout. So these are the tape kind as well. You just push them up right here, but I thought these were super cute, so I got a couple of those. I have some E6000 glue on the way because I do use that a lot. I also have some super glue. This is the Gorilla Glue. I like having it in my desk so I don't have to like search around the house for it. So this is what my journal looked like before. This is another favorite, Amazon favorite product, and it just has blank pages. There's no lines or anything like that. And then this is what I transformed it into. What is it called? Mod Podged this on top of the book, which I think it looks so beautiful. I don't write directly in my pages. I write them on lined paper, which I also got from Amazon right here, and I stick them in here. So those are 2 products that I love from Amazon as well. This is the little desk area that I have right next to my couch. I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like over here. I have this little plant wall. It's still kind of just thrown up there. We just had a moving day, so this changes all the time, but I do like that it has some greenery over there. And this is my little desk area. I'm very grateful because in an RV, you don't have that. I do have this chair. This is all the desk stuff that is going in here. These 2 things are getting changed out. I have a shelf, like a cube shelf, that's actually going to go underneath because I need the extra storage. Okay, and then inside here, I had a little organizing thing, but it was terrible for in here. It was like a big, bulky wooden one, and you can't reach like part of this drawer back here about this much, and so it just wasn't convenient. So now we're going to take all of this out. It's not the best drawer, but I mean, at least it's something. So we're going to pull all of this out and we're going to start organizing, but I thought I would just share with you guys what we're starting out with. So I showed you guys most of this stuff, but got the cleaners, the miscellaneous stuff, my highlighters, different kinds of pens. This is kind of like my personal stuff. These are just little lens wipes. And I got some tissue. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is, you guys. Isn't that adorable? It's lotion. So I just have my Christian Dior little lip glow here. I showed you guys these earlier, just some tapes, all the little accessories. And I just think it looks so cute. I think it turned out really good. I love it. I feel so organized now. And I just have to make sure my kids stay out of here. That is the goal. I am going to show you guys, I just reorganized underneath here. I'm going to show you guys inside of each drawer. I didn't want to bore you with me putting it together and all of that stuff. Well, my son built it, let's just be honest. But I'm going to show you guys. So I'm in a very small space, and organization is so important when you have nowhere to put anything. I did have these like cube footrest things that you put stuff in, and it just did not work out. So now I have a beautiful cube shelf storage system, and it's amazing. So now I can put everything that I need, and it's utilizing the vertical space. If you're organizing, vertical space is so important. Let's show you guys. Let's go. Okay, you guys, here is the little space under the desk. I just love the way it turned out. I actually can't put the top board on top, but it's totally fine. I need the organization, and that vertical space is just, I'm living for it. So I'm going to take you inside and show you guys all the little drawers, but it looks so much better than those baskets. And even though my feet can't go completely under the desk, I totally don't mind. I moved my computer all the way forward, and it's perfect. So, all right, let's go in here. In this first section here, this is my label maker. You guys know how important my label maker is. I have these dividers from Walmart. These are from, I think, the Edit or something like that. But I also have this little guy. So they're all in here. This is my hot glue gun and all the glue, which you guys saw the other glue is up in here, which is amazing. And then we have this drawer, which this is my travel journal kind of section. This is a little thing when I want to bring with me on vacation. Me and my daughters, actually all my kids, we all have a travel journal. So here's some pages that I put in my journal. My journal's right here. If you guys want an entire video on what my travel journal is and all of that, let me know, and I will make a dedicated video or add it to another one, because you know we like adding all the things. Next up in this cube here, this is tech, which is nice. It's on my right hand side. I do have some cards in here and a massage gun, just in case I need to ask somebody to do that for me. And then I have some extra chargers. I'm using one. This is my husband's that is extra. And then I have my little thing for my computer, but my external hard drive fits in here perfectly. And then I have a bunch of other little things down on the bottom here that go underneath. So it's just a nice place to have everything. And then this is my tech bag. Let me know if you guys want me to add this to a video. I can do that for you as well. And then underneath there, this is an extra blanket and all of our linens. We don't have a lot. We just have a couple tablecloths and one for the countertop. Then in this bin here, this is like miscellaneous stuff, but these are my daughter's workout bands. She likes to do Pilates. And then these are little wraps like this for all of the glassware that I don't have Velcro down. I'm an RVer, so I try to Velcro everything, but the things we use all the time, we just wrap it up. And that's what's in that drawer. And the last drawer, this is a special drawer. This is our treasure box. So when the kids complete tasks, or they're really good, or they behave well when they're getting babysat, I have a bunch of stuff in here that I stick in here. And that is their treasure box. So now everything has a place, and I just love it so much. Okay, so next up, we're going to be talking about my journal. So like I showed you earlier, this is my journal. I do not write in here. I write on this line paper, and I cut it out and I put it in my book. And I will show you a page of what it looks like. I don't mind if anybody sees it or reads it, but I did a little rose here. So anyways, and then I have another one here that I need to stick in here, but I have a couple more. And then I just like to put a couple little pieces on top that are really pretty. I want to read you a page that is like super important to me that I just wrote. This is how I like to do my process. So that way I don't have to like sit and be like, oh, I'm in a journal right now. I need to figure it out. I journal as things come to me. I don't force myself to journal, if that makes sense. Like, I'm just not the type to be able to just start writing. And if I do that, I'm more like writing lists on things that I need to do instead of journaling. But I woke up that particular morning and I just was like, I need to journal this. So always keep in mind, if you feel something like really strong, or you have an epiphany about something, or I'm always hitting new ceilings on my spiritual journey. And every time I do, I write it down. But what I do first is I put it in my phone. So now I'm going to take this message from my phone. I'm going to write it in my journal and I'm going to glue it in there. I'm going to show you guys the whole process. So I have not done anything else but write it out in here. I woke up this morning crying. I am just so grateful to be alive. My heart and spirit are just full of gratitude. It's one thing to write things you're grateful for down, but to truly embody it hits different. I am so grateful that my kids are alive, that they will wake up today. I had the most amazing day with them yesterday. I've been waking up so grateful to be alive every day. It's really kind of crazy, but today was on another level. It's almost as if my spirit can feel all of the past lives we had once lived, and it knows that this life won't last forever. I hugged my husband and I told him how grateful I was for him. Not for the life he provides financially, but for his spirit, just existing with me on this planet. I told him that I would be still so grateful to this life in a little apartment with no money and just our family. We are resilient, and my gratefulness for this earthly experience is too big. Thank you for this beautiful life I get to live. I truly have figured out a way to buy more time, and I don't take it for granted. My heart and spirit are full. This life is so beautiful. I have everything I need. I attract all that is meant for me like a magnet. I don't chase things. Whatever is mine has my name on it. So that was just an example of an experience that I had. I woke up that morning and I just like felt so much gratefulness. I was just sobbing and weeping. And I've kind of been going through this process of my whole spiritual journey where I'm just changing. Every day I'm changing. I'm not the same person I was yesterday. I'm not the same person as I was when I woke up this morning. Even last night, as I'm reading that, I'm like, okay, I need to journal about what happened to me last night. I feel motivated to do it because I don't have the pressure. Okay, so I like to take my whole stack and I'm going to start writing it here, and I'm just taking it out of my phone. And even my phone, you guys, it is like the spelling's wrong, nothing's right, and I use voice text. So I literally just go right here on my phone and I hit this and I just start talking and it does it. So I just finished filling out my journal pages, and now what I like to do is I take my little glue stick line thing here and I glue onto my book. And now you can doodle, you can add different little things like on the front here. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed my at-home desk organization setup. I had so much fun creating this video. I hope you guys can use some of the tips and tricks that I shared with you guys today, especially the journal part. Let me know if you guys enjoyed that. I know it was a little bit different. If you haven't done so, definitely don't forget to subscribe, hit that little bell, and today's secret emoji is a book. Leave me a book emoji and let me know that you made it all the way to the end. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and until next time, I'm always your girl, Lorna Marie.